just bought a three-wheeler. Now let's get it running. It only runs on starting fluid. So let's start with cleaning out the carburetor. Ooh yeah. Ooh yeah. It's not way too bad. This thing is all clogged up. Let's get these things cleaned out. This tiny little jet right here was completely clogged with like rust and stuff. So I poked all that out with a pin. The jets are all cleaned out. Now let's put them back on and see if it runs. Let's see if it'll run. See if she rips, boys.
Going freewheeling, it's my lucky day. Going freewheeling, come on out and play.
The Honda ATC, 8 different models for more fun in the snow than you've ever dreamed of.
Going freewheeling, got the Honda ATC.
Man, this thing is fun. If this video gets 10K likes, we will keep the three-wheeler.